chill. Ha ha, yeah. Woo! My day, I'm out, got nothing to do. A smirk on my face as I traverse the town. I go solo, that's just how I do. I have fun alone, that's what I'm used to. As I'm stepping through the crowd, something quickly pulls me out. Who is this? What do they want with me? Suddenly I realized I was being dragged inside of a shop by one of the stylish girls. So I spoke, I don't know where we're going, but I go alone. And she froze and stepped close, and then she whispered to me, listen to me. No one's in this alone. I wanna do my part. You can't see it, but they're fighting for you. Every one of us is a weakling on our own. So I'm learning to trust with you. No one in this whole world is in it alone. Who would think we're just to pleasure ourselves? So I fight for you and this whole wide world too, as I'm learning to trust with you. Her hand gripped tight, I don't know what to do. I guess I forgot what this felt like. We sat, we laughed, and we got some food. I can't figure out what to act like. I wanna try to be their friend, but all these thoughts are in my head. No, they don't really care about you. I gotta shake this from my mind, cause all these thoughts will leave me blind to the life that the light might bring. And I know that you want me to be your friend. And I hope that I'll learn that I'm strong enough to trust again. What she say to me? No one's in this alone. I wanna do my part. You can't see it, but they're fighting for you. Every one of us is a weakling on our own. So I'm learning to trust with you. No one in this whole world is in it alone. Who would think we're just to pleasure ourselves? So I fight for you and this whole wide world too, as I'm learning to trust with you. So fast forward to the next day, while I was still not feeling sure of myself. Into the club room the detective came. He said, I'm hearing home, said all will go well. Now I know you know what others say, and I hope it never happens again. They say that you're the girls that bomb the stage, so I'm your new club manager. And oh, then my heart started screaming like no, cause I thought I could trust you. Then my heart went down and my trust went down, and it all went down. So I stood and said, no one's in this alone. I wanna do my part. You can't see it, but they're fighting for you. Every one of us is a weakling on our own. So I'm learning to trust with you. No one in this whole world is in it alone. Who would think we're just to pleasure ourselves? So I fight for you and this whole wide world too, as I'm learning to trust with you. Ooh, and then a tear came to your eyes, I spoke, and I started to choke, cause I know what I said, what it meant. We were starting to trust again, but still I'm not sure what I'm supposed to believe. I'm still insecure, so be patient with me. Again, 1, 2, I know that you don't trust me, and I can see the whole world turns cold for you. When I enter the room, I bring back bad memories. I don't want it to be this way, so I apologize. I hope you can read my intentions. I don't mean to be the bad guy. Your teacher, he told me you all work so hard, you deserve to break. Then he gave me the keys to his cabin by the lake. So let's go, get away, let go. I know that it's hard, but we don't pick the cards, baby. If we had it our way, we might never know mercy. I know that it's hard, that's why it's for saying I'm sorry. Often all we call to say I'm sorry. so sorry. Humbly doesn't tend to open wounds. Sorry. Welcome to our destination, peaceful lakeside vacation. Have fun, this week is just for you. We'll bring back good memories. Please take all of your luggage in and hang out. Enjoy your time, cook some food by the lake, then set fireworks into the night sky. We had our fun, but now I say goodnight. Then the teacher walked in with a different idol group. You've got to be kidding me. I know that it's hard, but we don't pick the cards, baby. If we add it our way, we might never know mercy. I know that it's hard, that's why it's we're saying I'm sorry. Often all we come to say I'm sorry. Humbly doesn't tend to open wounds. I know sorry's hard, but that's what makes us strong, baby. Even when we didn't intend to deal damage, humbly does it tend to open wounds. Sorry, I forgot. I guess it slipped my mind you were coming here, and I know it looks bad to you, but please meet my friend. She's a new teacher from another school. She asked me to train her, and this is Meteor, her idol group. These girls admire you, they're on your side. Stylish girls, I hope you forgive my bad timing. Then I pulled Starblush aside and said, please give the best of your heart. I want you to know I recognize these girls from the idol bombing. They're the ones that gave your alibi. I know that it's hard, but we don't pick the cards, baby. If we add it our way, we might never know mercy. I know that it's hard, but that's why it's we're saying I'm sorry. Often are we called to say I'm so sorry. Humbly doesn't tend to open wounds. I know that it's hard, but we don't pick the cards, baby. If we add it our way, we might never know mercy. I know that it's hard, that's why it's we're saying I'm sorry. Often are we called to say I'm so